Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. In this video, I'll discuss how to set up inventory items and use serial numbers inside of ALERE. Before we get started, it is important to note that once serial numbering has been enabled and stock has been serialized, the option can no longer be turned off. If you are following the instructions within your live system, please plan accordingly. Start by selecting the Inventory tab, then navigate to Item Master. Select the item you wish to serialize. Under Serial ID, there are three options: Not Used, Upon Receipt, and Before Ship. In this instance, I would ultimately like to assign serial numbers as items are received into stock, using the Upon Receipt option. However, I already hold some inventory. In the event there is some quantity of inventory in stock, you must first utilize the Before Ship option to assign all current stock serial numbers. To assign serial numbers to currently in-stock items, click the ID tab, then click the ID button. The Serial, Lot, Trait Assignment window will appear and allow you to manually assign serial numbers. After assigning serial numbers, I am now able to navigate back to the Item tab and change the serial number option to Upon Receipt. Save when finished. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.